Hello everyone, welcome to SAP Connect. So in this session we will learn how to display the technical name, right? The T code behind the SAP menu path, right? And we will learn how to display the technical name, right? The T code behind the favorites we have created, right? So let me log in first. So client is 800, user ID I have given and I have typed in my password as well. I'll simply press enter. So here you will notice that this is the SAP menu, right? And these are the favorites I have created, right? So favorites name is appearing, right? But what is the transaction code behind the favorite, right? So what is the transaction code for, let's say I want to see the transaction code behind enter sample document, right? So what is the transaction code to enter sample document? If I'll click on double click on this, I'll be brought to the screen, right? From where we enter sample document. But I want to know the transaction behind this. So how can I do that? Right? Similarly in SAP menu, let's go to SAP menu. So let me explore the menu first. Accounting, financial accounting. Let's pick the submodule accounts payable. Here information system, reports, let's say master data, vendor list. So if we want to see the vendor list, we'll double click on it and we'll brought to the screen, right? Will be brought to this T code, right? But we know that it is used for checking the vendor list. But what is the T code behind that, right? What is the T code for the address list? What is the T code for display changes to vendor? So how can we do that? So to do that, we'll simply click on extras, then we'll click on settings. Now here there are various settings available in SAP, right? So display favorites. So I will talk about them one by one, right? Display favorites at the end of the list. So right now in my case, I have checked marked. I have checked this box mark, right? I have check marked this box, right? So this means that the favorites I have created will be shown to me at the uh, end of the list, right? At the end of the display favorites at the end of the list as the SAP menu. When SAP menu will appear, when SAP menu will get completed, then only my favorites will be displayed to me. So if I'll uncheck it, let's see what will happen. See, now favorites are appearing first and SAP menu is appearing at last, right? So I'll change the setting and I'll leave it to display favorite at the end of the list, right? Because first I want my SAP menu to be appeared, right? What are the other settings? So for technical details, I was particularly making this session, right? But I'll explain about others as well. So I'll cover all the settings available one by one. Do not display menu, only display favorites. So if I don't want this menu to appear, right? What I'll do is I'll check mark this box and click on tick. So now you'll realize that SAP menu is not there, only favorites are getting displayed to me, right? So next one is the one we were particularly talking about, display technical names. So right now we are not able to see the T code behind every favorite we have created, right? Each and every favorite we have created. So I'll check mark it and then I'll click on tick. So now the transaction code behind the favorites are also appearing, right? So this is how we do display the technical name. So I'll go to settings. I want the display menu as well, right? Now if I'll explore the display menu, accounting, financial accounting, accounts payable, document entry. So now you can see FV60 for invoice, F-50 for invoice general. Now the technical name is also appearing. Technical name means nothing but your T code is also appearing, right? So this picture is also appearing, right? And right, we can see that this picture is also appearing. So let's say we don't want to display this picture. what we'll do is we'll go to settings, we'll click on extras, then click on settings, and here we'll check mark this box so it will not display the picture. See, now the picture is not appearing. I want the picture to appear, so I'll uncheck it and continue. So these are the basic settings available in SAP, and you can set it as per your feasibility, right? So this is all in this session. It was a basic session, right? And we will be coming with a lot more videos related to FI module in SAP. Thank you for subscribing.